6G is the next generation of mobile networks, addressing how we can enhance this online experience, what we call the cyber-physical continuum, that seamless transition across our physical presence and our digital presence.
Everybody talks about metaverse, but in order to enable those services, we need super fast and super reliable, low latency networks that could have almost real-time communication.
Smart Internet Lab has some of the best equipped telecommunications and networks research labs in the country. One of the key challenges is not only how we drive innovation, but how we drive digital transformation.
Network automation involves all the operations regarding the configuration and the management of network resources without human intervention, which means that we try to apply the state-of-the-art in artificial intelligence and machine learning and make it part of the network in a way that is almost real-time.
Network infrastructure itself can be more energy efficient. When we are supporting and transforming sectors, we can reduce the energy consumption of these sectors themselves.
We work with BT to find algorithms, AI agents that manage the resources that will be truly optimal and will use minimal amount of energy.
You need to move and process a lot of data to create your virtual environment mixed with your real environments. And quantum computers are very good to solve some of the optimization problems.
6G networks are going to be open, going to be super intelligent. That is going to introduce more security issues.
What we are doing in our lab is adopting quantum key distribution in the 6G network and integrate that, aiming to provide ultimate security for the 6G services.
So what we're looking at is what we call the radio frequency open attack surface. So this is the space, the volume between the transmitting and receiving antennas, where anybody can eavesdrop on the communications or interfere with that communications. And we're looking at things such as RF fingerprinting, so we can provide additional authentication within such networks.
And as we are looking at the evolution of future networks and future thinking, we are fully aligned on what the industry would need in the next 10 to 15 years.
Success to me in the 6G sphere would be to demonstrate the use cases that we dream of, for example, smart health, remote robotic surgery, and self-driving cars running on our roads at a commercial scale.
In whatever we are doing, we are driven by user needs, by sector needs, by societal challenges. We absolutely have to get this right. Probably my successors are going to looking at 7G, 8G and beyond, but the thing is that we are going to be innovating in that 6G's network design story.